Okay, this is a 1951 Slingerland Concert King. I've just rebuilt, did a resto-mod on it. I had quite a bit of fun with the old Slingerland Radio King throw-off assembly. This very old throw-off, works pretty good considering the age of the design. It's got the internal muffler. I redid the edges and leveled it off. It was a god-awful sounding drum when I got it, and even worse looking. It had a bad black paint job with holes all over it, and I refilled all the holes with hardwood, put on the reissue beaver tail. These are the only new items. The hoops, the muffler, all the throw-off hardware, the badge is all era correct, either Radio King or to this one, which is a Concert King, which is a 3-ply shell. It's a 15 by 8. Fairly deep drum. I did the sparkle finish with a 2-part Automotive urethane and tried to match up the hardware as good as I could. This is all powder coat with a chrome powder coating, and the thing functions pretty well. It's got quite a bit of depth to it, and it's got very little snare buzz. If you know, the toms don't set it off, even though there's like 20 snare drums in this room. It's still it's got a very deep snare bed, which gets rid of a lot of that sympathetic snare buzz a lot of times you hear when you hit toms, and you don't get basically any buzz with this. Actually, the internal muffler works pretty well. It's generally don't usually use these, but for this drum it actually does the job. You can easily bring it up to a tighter, more high-end tuning. To not lose anything. It's